Master Reed here. Got a few quick reminders, and so I want to cover that stuff and keep it moving. Today, August the 25th, we have demo team tryouts for teams 1 and team 2, and that is at 4:30. It'll run till 6 o'clock. We recognize some of the middle schoolers won't get home and we're a little bit later. That's okay. Just get them in here and get them going. Cost for that's $25. Then today at 6:30, we have our White Belt Buddy Pass new parent orientation. We invite all of our new parents to come on out. Hey, bring a friend with the kid. The kids are going to go have some fun in the party, and then with Sensei John and Sensei Blake is going to take the time to go over all of our programs, answer any questions that you may have, and go forward. This Saturday at 12 o'clock noon, I'm going to teach a Tai Chi and Qigong workshop. Hey parents, just remember that all this stuff is free to you, and you are welcome to attend. And then also at 1 o'clock p.m., we're going to do an adult self-defense workshop, and that also has the same format, which means that it is free to you. So please come and attend and take advantage of the resources that we have here at the school for you. Other than that, we have the testing up on the website, okay, and also the information about our upcoming open houses on the website, and the VR headset that we are giving away along with other prizes in our raffle. That's it for me right now. Terima kasih, aloha, one love. See you guys today and this weekend.